My TL has been out of action for a week for a major repair, and it got me thinking. My car has aged a lot, and I'm wondering what part of the car will be next to give way or break. And I hate to be pessimistic, but you have to. If this repair cycle tends to be a recurring one, we could end up in a bottomless money pit. If you're a proud owner of an Acura TL 4th Gen and have been contemplating whether to hold onto your favorite car for the long haul, you're not alone. As someone who has recently pondered the same question after a major repair, I want to share with you the top 5 reasons why we should continue cherishing our trusty Acura TL. Hi there, ladies and gents. acuratl again here from the Daily Driving channel. Join me as we explore these 5 compelling reasons that make our TLs worth keeping. Number 1. Uniqueness and value. Our Acura TL 4th Gen is like a unicorn in the automotive world. Just like a unicorn is rare and highly valued, our TL is a rare gem. It combines luxury, over 300 horsepower, and it has a unique all-wheel drive system. And this is not your ordinary all-wheel drive system. It's called the Super Handling All-Wheel Drive System, baby, or what we call in the TL lingo, shouty. Also, the TL has a distinctive, aggressive exterior styling and buttery smooth shifting, setting it aside or apart from the crowd. While other brands like BMWs, Audis, Subarus, or Infinitis are great, this simply can't compare to the all-around package that the TL offers. Moreover, its competitive pricing and remarkable resale value after 14 years clearly demonstrate its enduring appeal. Number 2. Reliability and low maintenance. Acura is, in essence, Honda on steroids when it comes to reliability. Even as our TLs age, they continue to uphold the reputation of low maintenance costs. As proof, many of us are approaching or have exceeded the 200,000 mile mark with our vehicles. Can you say the same for the competition? I don't think so. I haven't seen many BMWs, 535i's, Audi A7s, or Cadillac CTS 3.6 liters still on the road, which is supposed to be the TL's direct competitors back in 2010 with almost the same specs as that of a 6-speed 2010 TL 3.7 liters with super handling all-wheel drive. That alone speaks volumes about the TL's durability and longevity. Number 3 is practicality. Our Acura TL is a very versatile performer. It offers 305 horsepower, luxury comfort, and high-rated audio system. Seating for 5, it has ample trunk space for grocery shopping, camping gears, golf clubs, tires for track days, and it's equally suited for daily commutes or spirited drives. Plus, its super handling all-wheel drive system excels in the winter and can push power in twisty roads, making it an all-season champion. It's a practical and multifunctional sedan that meets a wide range of needs. Number 4. Engaging driving experience. The Acura TL 4th generation offers an engaging driving experience, particularly with the 6-speed manual transmission. But even the automatic versions are no slouch. With a few upgrades like high-flow caps, proper tuning, lightweight wheels, grippy tires, and weight reduction implementation, and even superchargers for that matter, it transforms into an unsuspecting sleeper. Now, this is the 3rd time I mention it. The super handling all-wheel drive system turns the car into a corner carving beast, whether on a toge run or in a circuit racing. You can put the pedal to the metal, even in the corners, without breaking a sweat. Number 5. Ample power. Our Acura TL 4th Gen still packs a punch that rivals newer Acura models, often outperforming them in terms of both speed and power. It remains the most powerful TL generation and effortlessly outshines its TLX successor. As you can see in my Dragon Ball Z analogy, you can't be wrong, am I right? Get your angry comments down below if you agree or disagree. For additional proof, check out the link above for the top 10 fastest Acuras to date. And if you like this video so far, please smash that free like and sub button to support this channel. It is greatly appreciated. In a nutshell, these are the 5 compelling reasons why we can't seem to let go of our trusty old Acura TL 4th Gen. The combination of rarity value, reliability, practicality, and engaging driving experience makes it an enduring choice for car enthusiasts. So, are you keeping yours? Stay tuned for this channel where we explore the other flip side of the coin, which is the reasons why it might be time to move on from your Acura TL and explore other options. Thanks for watching.